Out of the more than 160 corpses of inmates in a funeral home in Muntinlupa City, only 50 bodies can undergo autopsy. This is according to forensic pathologist Dr. Raquel Fortun, who inspected the condition of the bodies from the new Bilibid Prison on Saturday.
I saw about 50 remains na medyo maganda-ganda pa in terms of nandyan yung pinaka-recent na namatay. And kahit pa paano mo ang suitable for example, only 50. Pinakita sa akin around 120 plus now na as described earlier, mummified. Right? Mummified remains. Tuyot yan. And I doubt if we could still see something there.
Eastern Funeral Services is accredited by the Bureau of Corrections and the National Bureau of Investigation. Justice Secretary Boying Remulla earlier said bodies from the National Penitentiary have piled up in the funeral parlor. According to Fortun, questions regarding the real conditions of late inmates were set forth following the result of the second autopsy on the body of June Villamor, the alleged middleman in the Percy Lapid slay case. It found that Villamor died from plastic bag suffocation. Fortun also said foul play could be attendant in the circumstances surrounding the death of the inmates.
Nung una, ang mga sinasabi, natural cause, magulo, nagkakapilan, nahirapan yung yan, meron pang issue na natutulong, pangungot or whatever. Okay? And then it turns out, hindi pa na. So, kaya concerned ang DOJ, tapos ang dami-daming patay, baka naman meron dyan na tinatawag nyo may foul play.
According to Justice Department spokesperson Miko Clavano, the agency is looking deeper into the situation in New Bilibid Prison.
Kailangan natin i-compare yung death rate natin dito sa loob ng Bilibid at yung natural death rate sa isang community or isang bansa. Kung medyo mas mataas yung death rate, we really have to see kung ano yung mga consideration na pumasok doon kung bakit mas mataas yung death rate sa loob.
Bucor has yet to issue a statement regarding the matter. Eastern Funeral Services said most of the remains of inmates are already due for burial. Meantime, the DOJ eyes to strengthen healthcare services for the inmates. The agency said those who have died will be provided with a proper burial or cremation. Crissy Dimatulac, CNN Philippines.